fun starts in the back garden. Nature is everywhere. Okay, Jaden, Toodles, Charlie, Tyson and Brownie, are you ready for the lesson? Yes, boy. Okay, today's lesson is about nature. Ooh. What nature is this? Everyone knows that nature. It's called grass. There's grass everywhere. Very good, Cheetos. There is grass everywhere. The cows eat grass. Yes, they do. Well done, Jaden. Now let's go outside. These are stinging things. Careful, don't touch them or you'll get stinged. Ouch. Boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. Well done, Brownie. You found the leaves. Yes, Jaden, Brownie has found these leaves. They're really big. They're probably for caterpillars to eat or something. They are there for a reason. Watch out, because there's more spiky things. Or stinging things, actually. Yeah, you don't want to get stung. Ouch. And here are some more sting. Ow! Ow, I've been stung. Are you okay? Yes. Hang on, excuse me for a moment. I hope Yellow Duck's going to be alright. Hey, I'll tell you what. While we wait, let's pretend to sting each other. Zzz. Oh! Zzz. Oh! Zzz. Oh, boing, boing! Zzz. Oh! Zzz. Oh, I feel all better and I'm back. I'm not going to get near any of those again. So now we're all together again. Now we can resume the lesson. Whee! Boing! Ah! So, where was I? The last thing you said was, here's some more stinging things. Oh yeah, thank you, Cheetos. Here are some more stinging things, and don't touch them or you'll get sting like I did. Ouch! Wow, come and look at this. Some things with purple flowers on it. Purple's my favourite colour. Yes, it is, Jaden. Oh, some of these stingy things are turning yellow, just like me. Oh, I'm not going to get near any of them, like I said. Ooh, sting, sting, ouch. Sting, sting, it hurts. So don't go near any of those plants. Oh, don't touch them or you'll get stinged. Yeah. Yes, thank you, Cheetos. Actually, that brings today's lesson to a close. Boy, 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 boy. Thank you, Yellow Duck. That was fun. Bye. I love the grass. How grass looks and how grass smells. And playing in the grass is fun too. Let's look at the grass. Yes. Boing. Whee! Going through the grass. Oh! I'm going through the grass. Cheetos' turn. Whee! Right, who's next? Oh, Tyson. Come on, Tyson.